సాంగ్ బాగుంది.
హలో 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 కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ? హలో యుగంధర్, హలో త్రినాట్ 2 పవన్ పవన్ పవన్
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ నానా.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ?
సార్
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే నాన్న, ఓకే. ఎస్ Shall we start our class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, last class, what have we discussed? Tell me. Last class, what have we discussed? Huh? Just tell me first of all. Pavan, can you tell?
Phase diagrams.
Phase diagrams. What phase diagrams we have discussed last class? Yama, just tell me first of all, how many types of phase diagrams are there? 302. Who is 302? 305. Please respond. 311. Hello. What have we discussed in last class? Emma. Hello. Lalit.
సాయి మల్లికార్జున మాట్లా
Enana. Yugandhar. Yugandhar. Say last class, what have you discussed? First tell me. Then I will start my class. See, going to start iron carbon diagram. Hello. This one is a very important phase diagram in material science. All of you should know about this iron carbide phase diagram. Okay. Yes. See here, this is the Nana. This one is iron carbide diagram. See all of you. Hello. See all of you. This one is the iron carbide diagram. Then we can draw this iron carbon diagram. We will use 3 phase diagrams what we have discussed previously. That is peritectic phase diagram. Next one is the eutectoid. This iron carbon diagram is the combination of these 3 phase diagrams. Okay. See, what is the importance of this iron carbon diagram is particularly in this iron carbon diagram, 2 main things, that is steels and cast irons, will be formed in iron carbon diagram. Okay. Okay na. See, in this In this chapter, that is iron carbon diagram, we shall discuss about these outlines that are the cooling curve for pure iron, definition of structures, iron carbon equilibrium phase diagram sketch, iron carbon diagram explanation, the austenite to ferrite cementite transformations. Next one is nucleation and growth of perlite. Next, the effect of carbon percentage age on microstructures of steel. Relationship between carbon percentage age and mechanical properties of steels. Then we will discuss in this iron carbon diagram. First of all, cooling curve for pure iron. See, this one is last class I have discussed. All of you, I hope that we got everything from this pure iron cooling curve. Hello, Yugandhar? Yugandhar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, Nana. See, the cooling curve for pure iron, then when you heat the pure iron above the melting point temperature, that is melting point temperature of pure iron is 1539 degrees centigrade. Above the temperature, the total pure iron is in liquid state. Then when you cool that liquid, when it comes to 400 degrees centigrade, here it forms delta solid solution, that is delta iron. The structure of delta iron is BCC, body centered cubic structure. Again, when you cool, when it comes to 910 degrees centigrade, the delta iron changes into gamma iron. Gamma iron here, that is non-magnetic. That structure of this one is face centered cubic structure. Okay. Next, when you cool that one 910 degrees to 770, the gamma iron changed its structure, that is BCC, that is the alpha iron. Okay, here that is non-magnetic. Again, when you cool this one to room temperature, 770 degrees centigrade to room temperature, then it changes finally the same alpha phase, but the structure same, but nature is changed. That is the magnetic nature. Okay. See here, what structures are formed in iron carbon diagram. Then let us discuss first the structures, that phases. Okay, various phases that appear on the iron carbon equilibrium phase diagram, that are austenite, ferrite, perlite, cementite, martensite, lead burite. This total 6 phases are formed in iron carbon diagram. Okay. Hello, Yukandar.
Yes, sir.
See, are you able to understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This total how many phases? Enana? Total how many phases are formed in iron carbon diagram? Total is 6. Okay, na? 6 phases. Okay. Here that 6 phases structures, crystal structures as given here, that are the unit cells, you know, all of you well known. First one is A is the, here A is the austenite. Austenite is the, which structure this one? FCC. Face centered cubic structure. Okay, yes, here. Austenite is. That is, ferrite is, which structure this one? Ferrite. Emma. Ferrite is, which type of crystal structure this one? Ena. Body centered cubic structure. Nana. Okay. Next, martensite. This martensite is C, that also body centered cubic structure. Is these are the crystal structures of phases. Then microstructures also as given here, that are, first one is microstructures of, here A is the austenite. Second one is the ferrite. B is the ferrite structure. This one is a very soft structure. Okay. Third one is the perlite. Perlite, that is the, this combination of ferrite and cementite. Okay. This one is the crystal structures. Okay. See here, total these 3 microstructures of phases are formed in iron carbon diagram. Okay. Next one is the definitions. Definitions we have to discuss. That is, first phase is ferrite. This ferrite is known as alpha solid solution. Alpha solid solution. Okay. It is an interstitial solid solution of a small amount of carbon dissolved in alpha BCC iron, alpha iron. Small amount of carbon dissolved, particularly in this one. This one is stable form of iron below 912 degrees centigrade. Yes. This one is particularly alpha iron is stable form only below the 912 degrees centigrade. The maximum solubility is 0.025% of carbon at 723 degrees centigrade, and it dissolves only 0.008% at room temperatures. Okay. See, these two, all of you remember, the maximum solubility of carbon is only 0.025 at 723, and it dissolves only 0.0, very small, 0.008 at room temperature. Very small percentage of carbon dissolves. That's why this one is, it is the softest structure that appears on the diagram. Soft, very soft. Okay. See here the tensile strength Okay, 40,000 poise, elongation 40%, hardness, that values these are the structure is how the ferrite microstructure is. Yes, these all are the grains. Okay, one another one is there. Microstructure. Next one is here perlite. Perlite, amma. This is pictrictoid mixture, amma. This one is containing 0.8 percentage of carbon. The perlite, it consists of 0.8 percentage of carbon and is formed at 723 degrees centigrade on very slow cooling It is very fine plate-like or lamellar mixture of ferrite and cementite. Okay, the white ferritic background or matrix contain thin plates of cementite. See here, Nana, that is perlite is combination of two, that is ferrite and cementite. Okay, in this one, Nana, laminar mixture of ferrite and cementite, white background. Ferrite is the white background, that is the dark lines are the cementite. See here. See here, the white one is ferrite. That is a very soft material. Ferrite is. Cementite is that dark lines. These are dark lines are there. That is very hard, amma. This cementite is. See, this perlite is combination of these two. Okay, understand? Yes. That perlite is formed at 723 degrees centigrade, amma. That is the pictrictoid mixture. The carbon maximum percentage perlite 0.8. Okay, this one is the more than the ferrite. Okay, na? Yes. Next one is the properties, mechanical properties. I hope you may see this mechanical properties. Tensile strength is more than ferrite. This one is 1,20,000 poise. That is elongation 20%. Elongation is less compared to ferrite. Hardness. Here this is total ferrite. The is carbon dissolved in gamma FCC such iron. Maximum solubility is 2% at 1130 degrees centigrade. This is the maximum percentage of carbon is 2%. Okay, is is formability. Most of heat treatments the single phase. It's normally not stable at room temperature, but under certain conditions at room temperature. Okay. Next, mechanical properties, amma. The tensile strength of this one is 1,50,000 poise. Elongation is 10%. Hardness is 40. Toughness is high. Yes, this is austenite. All of you remember one point. Your carbon maximum solubility is 2%. At how much temperature? That is 1130 degrees centigrade. One more is, all of you remember, it is normally not stable at room temperature. Okay. Cementite. Next one is the cementite, Nana. In iron carbon diagram, that is the very, very hard phase. This one is cementite, it may call as iron carbide. It's a very hard, brittle, intermetallic compound of iron and carbon as Fe3C. Contains 6.67% of carbon. It is the hardest structure that appears on the diagram. Exact melting point unknown. Its crystal structure is orthorhombic, very difficult structure, complicated structure. It has low tensile strength, but it has very high compressive strength. Next one is lead burate. This lead burate is the eutectic mixture of austenite and cementite. It contains 4.3% of carbon and is formed at 1130 degrees centigrade. See, one more definition, that is martensite. It is a supersaturated solid solution of carbon in ferrite. It is formed when steel is cooled so rapidly that the change from austenite to perlite is suppressed. The interstitial carbon atoms distort the BCC into a BC tetragonal structure, BCT. Okay, that is responsible for the hardness of pinched steel. Okay, these all are the phases, definitions, iron carbide diagram. Hello, Jagandhar,
Yes, sir.
Pavan, have you understood?
Sir,
Enana,
Understood, sir.
these six phases which are formed in iron carbide diagram. Then next one is, what is iron carbide diagram? See, a map of the temperature at which different phase changes occur on very slow heating and cooling in relation to carbon is called iron carbon diagram or iron carbon diagram. This iron carbon diagram shows the type of alloy formed under very slow cooling, proper heat treatment temperatures, how the properties of steels and cast irons can be radically changed by heat treatment. See, total this one is about iron carbon diagram. Then now all of you see iron carbon diagram is there. Nana, just see Nana here. This one is the iron carbon diagram. This is the combination of Nana, combination of three reactions. What you have discussed previous. That is peritic. First here, we have to take that is pure iron here starting. That is 100% iron. Here is iron carbide is there. Okay, iron carbide is that is cement item. That is 100%. Then when you heat the temperatures, that is above the melting point temperature, then becomes liquid. Then is the total the region here, that is the liquid phase is there, liquid. Okay, when you cool this one here, see this one is the peritic. Suppose see iron 1539. Okay, then when you cool here, this one is the peritic reaction is formed. Okay, now 1493. At 1493, 1493 here, solid phase gamma. It gives, that is the peritic gamma. L plus delta. See here L plus delta. L plus delta. L plus delta gives, that is the gamma. Okay, gamma. That is the peritic. This gamma is the austenite. This gamma is the austenite that is formed at a temperature is 14. 14. That is 93. 1493. Okay. Next one is next one is gamma. Next one is euctic. See peritic at 1490 degrees centigrade with low weight of low percentage carbon alloys. Okay, there is no engineering importance. Next one is euctic at temperature, that is 1130 degrees centigrade, that is percentage is 4.3. Here thing is euctic means euctic means liquid, then it gets transformed into two solid phases, that is the gamma plus iron carbide. Iron carbide. See here how the phase change take place here, that is this liquid here at this temperature 1190, at this point, see all of this liquid is changed to two phases, that is the gamma plus Fe3C. Okay. Third one is euctide. Already in previous, in peritic, the gamma austenite is already formed. This austenite is transformed to, see, that is the two solids. That is the already the austenite is the solid phase. This solid phase to two solid phases, that is alpha plus Fe3C. Then here, then it will be visible. See, gamma is changed to alpha plus Fe3C. Okay, these three are reactions, invariant reactions. These three will be useful in iron carbide phase diagram. Okay, now first one is the phase presented. Phases present. First one is the liquid. From the liquid to, that is the delta. See here delta. Here delta already we got. The delta is, next one is liquid plus delta. delta is the basis paramagnetic. Next, in peritictic reaction, that is gamma arsenate is formed, that is the FCC structure, non-magnetic and ductile also. Next one is the alpha. Alpha is, that is ferrite. This one is the BCC crystal structure, ferromagnetic. That one is ductile also. Next phase is Fe3C, that is the cementite, orthorhombic, that is the hard and brittle is hard and brittle. Okay. Here the maximum solubility of carbon in ferrite is very low. That is 0.022 percentage. Maximum solubility. That means the ferrite structure has less percentage of carbon. That's why this phase is very soft. Okay, soft. The maximum solubility of carbon in austenite is 2.11 percentage. 2.11 percentage here. 2.11 percentage. Okay. Okay, have you understood? Hello.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one is very important. Iron carbon diagram is very important, Nana. See, one of the very important question in external examination. Okay, just all of you diagram is three phase reactions. Very important. Okay, in iron carbon diagram. Okay, the phases are formed at this temperatures. Peritic at the temperature is 40-90 degrees centigrade. Low percentage of carbon almost here, that is 0.00 some 8 some. Okay, no, very low percentage. Euctic is with 4.3. Next, euctitoid is that is at temperature is 723 degrees centigrade. That the composition of euctitoid is the perlite. It is the mixture of two phases, ferrite and cementite. These are the steels. Okay. Here, all of you understand a few points, few points, very important from this diagram. See, all of you. Here in this, in this iron carbon diagram, here different reactions already seen. Here is the point. Here is the euctide. Delta at this point is the peritic. Okay, now here phase is light. Here small, very small alpha, that is the ferrite. Okay, perlite is this one here, that is the combination of alpha and Fe3C. Here, see in iron carbon diagram, the carbon percentage. Okay, depending on the carbon percentage, then we can classify the two important materials. The percentage of carbon, see 0 to 2%, that is called steels. Okay. Next one is the more than 2%, 2 to some 6.67, that is carbon percentage. If it is varies, that is cast irons. Okay, that is the cast irons. In iron carbon diagram, these two see materials are very important. Then these two materials will be formed in iron carbon diagram. That is the steels and cast irons. So iron carbon diagram. Then 3. How can you draw? That is very important. If you see this diagram, you may feel, oh, it seems somewhat difficult to draw. Difficult to draw, you may feel, but don't feel any difficulty. Okay, no need to feel any difficulty. See, first, how to draw this iron carbon diagram is, three lines we have to draw it, three horizontal lines. First line is a very small line, 1493 degrees centigrade, draw the one line. Next one is the 1147, draw one line. 723, draw one horizontal line. See, these three horizontal lines at three temperatures. Okay, now one is the 1193, one is the 1147, one is the 727. Okay, then remaining just three reactions. Peritic means, okay, the shape is like this, the shape is like this, peritic. Then we have to draw it. Next, euclitic means, just all of you already have seen euclitic curve like this. Next, euclitoid also, here one solid alpha solution, terminal solid solution, alpha single solid solution, like this. Okay, now then we can easily draw this phase diagram. Okay, now use this concept. See here, how can you draw the iron carbon diagram? Three horizontal lines which indicate isothermal on cooling and heating. See, first horizontal line is, see, first horizontal line, Nana, here already told you, first horizontal line is at 1490 degrees centigrade, where peritic reaction take place. That is, peritic reaction is the invariant reaction. How is it? That is, liquid plus solid gives solid. Liquid plus solid phase means delta. Then it transform into only one solid. Okay, na. Next, second horizontal line. Second horizontal line is at 1130 degrees centigrade. See, all of you, 1130 degrees centigrade, second horizontal line. Yama, second horizontal line is at 1130 degrees, where euclitic reaction take place. Okay, euclitic reaction means, here what is the invariant reaction for euclitic? Here liquid it gives two solids. Euclitic means liquid gives two solids, transform to two solids. The two solids, the two solids, see here, liquid, here liquid is there, euclitic. That liquid transform to two solids, that is all, that is the gamma plus Fe3C. Okay, Babu, okay na? Fe3C, that is,
Okay, sir.
okay, sir,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
okay na? Yes, understand this one. Okay, that is the euclitic reaction take place at that temperature. That main invariant reaction is liquid transformed to two solids, that is austenite plus cementite. Third one is, next, third horizontal line is at 723 degrees centigrade, where euclitoid reaction take place. See, 723 here, third horizontal line 723. Here at 723, already above, austenite transformed into two phases, that is alpha plus Fe3C. That is here. See, austenite transformed into two solid phases, that is that iron carbide. Here perlite means the two combination, okay, two combination, ferrite plus cementite. Okay, this is total iron carbide diagram. Okay, this diagram is formed by using these three invariant reactions. Okay, na? Just if you remember these three reactions, very, very important. Nana, this iron carbide diagram is very, very important in material science. Okay, na? Without this diagram, this question, there is no rational question type. Okay, all of okay. The steels and cast irons are formed particularly in this iron carbide diagram. See all of you. Okay, na? Hello,
Okay,
my
sir.
dears.
Yes, sir.
Yugandhar.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, now have you understood? Have you understood? Have you understood? Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Iron carbide diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Okay. In this iron carbide diagram, the carbon percentage is very, very important. Okay, na less than 2%. 2%. That is the steels. We may call as that is steels. Okay, na. Next, about 2 to 6.67% of carbon. Okay, na. It consists of that is cast iron. Okay, one doubt, sir. What about remaining? Remaining is iron. Okay. See, what is steel? Hello, Yugandhar. Steel is mixture of Nana. Yugandhar.
Steel is.
Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Steel is Li. See, all of you remember, steel is Li. Steel is mixture of two. Okay, na? That is iron and carbon. Iron and carbon.
Carbon.
Carbon is how much percentage? Carbon is Emma 2%.
2%.
2 or less than 2 in steels. Maximum percentage of carbon in steel is 2.
2%.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Have you understood this point, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Depending on carbon content varies, you will classify the steels, amma. You will classify the steels. Different types of steels are there. Next chapter, next unit, amma. Next unit is steels and cast irons. Okay, definitely we will know about elaborately that is steels and cast irons. Okay, na? In that topic, that is percentage of carbon, it varies. Okay, na? It varies. Then we can classify cast irons also and steels also depending on the carbon percentage. Okay, we will discuss next unit. Okay, I will start next class. That okay, second unit. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
See here, particularly in iron carbon diagram, particularly perictic reaction phase only, separately has given like this. Perictic. This perictic reaction, is at 1490. Okay, na? The percentage of carbon is here very, very low. That is 0.1%. Okay, see how the lines are there here. See, liquid plus gamma, here liquid plus delta, liquid plus delta, it transform to it transform to gamma like this austenate at one point, that is the P perictic point. See, all of you. Okay, na? See, like this. Okay, that is an individual. That is only perictic reaction as given. Okay, na? Next one is here perlite. See, ferrite region of this one. Okay, see, austenite is how it has transformed. Austenite transformed to perlite. That is at here. That is the euctic point, euctide point. See how the phase microstructures are there. See, microstructures. Nana, when the carbon
Sir?
percentage hello,
Excuse సార్ నేను చంద్రరావు మాట్లాడుతాను సార్
tell me, sir.
సార్ ask the students to raise their hand so that I can take attendance now.
Okay, sir. Okay,
All of you
see,
students,
carry
please
on.
raise your hands. 347 and 337. Raise your hands. 337. KSDP Raju. 337. Are you there? Raise your hand. 337. Okay. Okay, sir. Here, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yugandhar,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is it visible? Screen
No, sir.
visible? Okay, na?
No, sir. Not visible.
See here, all of you understand?
Not
Huh?
visible, sir.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Not visible. Okay. No problem. Time is 3 minutes left. Anyhow, I am closing this section. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next class we will discuss. Okay, na? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just I am ending this section. Okay, na. Okay, na.